How to transfer all data from an old iPhone to a new iPhone 2023. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to transfer all data from an old iPhone to a new iPhone 2023. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, let's head over to our settings right here. And then once you're in there, just scroll down until you can reach this general. So click on general right there, and from in there scroll all the way down until you can see the option where this transfer or reset iPhone. So click on that and it will show you this. So what you need to do is to just click on this get started, because you can see that you can prepare for a new iPhone in here. So what you need to do first is to back up your iCloud storage. So click on get started right here, and this will take a few minutes, so just wait for this to load for a while. And then as you can see right here, just need to click on continue and then move all app data with iCloud. So you can also choose to don't move, but it's best to move all app data with iCloud. So just click on that and this will process your account. So let's just wait for it. So as you can see right here, if you have free storage on your iCloud, then this will move all of your data, and then you can restore all of this when your iCloud when you signed in from another phone. So just back up all your data on your iCloud and then download all of your data or sync it with your new iPhone. So that's the way around it. I hope this video helped you transfer all data from an old iPhone to a new iPhone. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.